Hello guys, welcome to Vicky's Mandarin channel. Okay, this is my daily drink. Soybean milk. 豆浆. Yes, I like it very much. And have you ever fed birds? Feed birds. 喂鸟. I think it's very meaningful thing. Meaningful. 有意义的. Yes. Watch the video I prepared for you.
Have you ever fed birds? It's really a funny experience. If there are many birds where you live, it can enhance your sense of happiness. I believe cause and effect. I think if you give something to the others and you can gain something from others. That's why I want to encourage you to do this. Follow me. Bye bye.